Thanks for tuning in to PR's Realm. Today, I'm going to give you a quick review / unboxing of the LG Rebel 3 LTE. It's a 4G phone and this one's used for track phone. Since I'm doing this myself, I'm not going to open it up all in front of you. I'll just start it out with the flap. Here's the phone. I'm going to get that out. When I get that out, I'll show it to you quickly. They've wrapped it in several layers, which is good. As you see, it's very attractive looking. Before I put it all together, I just wanted to display everything it came with. It came with its own SIM card. This is the back cover, which is pretty nice design. This is the actual phone. And here, I'll point out where the SIM card goes, right in here. And also you could place an SD card in the same area. There's actually two slots, but they're like one on top of the other. Came with its own charger, USB cord, bunch of different booklets, a 1-year warranty, which basically covers everything unless you intentionally break it yourself. Okay, so it's been about a week to a week and a half since I had this phone. And I must say I'm very pleased. The performance is very good. Apps load up quickly. Quality of the apps and performance looks great. It holds quite a bit of apps. I have many folders, but here's some of the other apps. Videos play very nicely. Definitely HD quality, like it says and like it claims. The looks of the phone, it's a very nice look to it. See, the back has like a little pattern. It has the LG logo. Power button in the back right here. It also has a flash for the front-facing camera as well as for the rear-facing camera. Pictures are decent, not the greatest, but okay. Video quality falls short though. Video quality could be a lot better. It's kind of grainy. Although the cameras are 5 megapixel, both front and rear, and supposedly it takes HD video, the video doesn't really match up. One other problem I found with the phone is that it doesn't support all video files. As you see here, I'm loading up the intros to my channel, and most of them are MP4s, yet most of them aren't showing up. If you're looking for a phone with great value and a great price, for basic reasons, this is excellent. In regards to video recording and playing videos, as you see here, those are the two negatives I found about this phone. Everything else though is great. The value was excellent. Like I said earlier, this cost between $50 and $100 through price matching. I got it for $37 and change with tax and everything. So I would definitely recommend this phone if you just want a phone that you could use your apps, you could work quickly, efficiently. It holds a lot. It has SD storage, and it does everything you need. Thanks for watching PR's Realm. www.youtube.com/PRSREALM.